Give me some advice.
Best advice I can give you,
I'm 23.
23, start looking at investment.
Start looking at investments?
Yeah, I'm gonna show you one quick investment you would never imagine.
Okay.
All you gotta do is go to Morgan Stanley.
I got me Morgan Stanley account.
Okay, go to Morgan Stanley and ask them for mutual fund and energy.
Right.
Take 20 grand.
Uh-huh.
You get 3 grand every 90 days.
For forever.
Forever.
One time payment.
One time investment.
So me, I'm 23. I plan on living to 107. So 3 grand for 107 years for 90 days.
Yep. Every 90 days. Here it is. It's $12,000 a year off this one. I'll tell you something else.
I like the way you're thinking.
Go to the bank. Get you a Roth.
Roth IRA.
Put 3 grand a year in there. Right?
Uh-huh.
Don't touch it until it matures.